A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The second session of the provincial chapter of the province of Bombay concluded on 26 April 2024 at Don Bosco, Lonavala, with the Holy Eucharist presided by Father Savio Silveira, the provincial of INB. During the homily, Father Silveira took the opportunity to reflect with the Khuborjylla on the attitudes needed to contribute to the good growth of the province. He exhorted the participants to recall with gratitude the blessings the Lord is showering on the province, talented conference, generosity of resources, and the opportunity to work with the young despite circumstances. The previous afternoon, the chapter elected Father Michael Fernandez and Father Ashley Miranda as the two delegates to represent the province at the General Chapter. The second provincial chapter of the Africa-Nigeria-Niger AN10 province, held in Iju, Lagos, came to close on April 28, 2024. The provincial Father George Crisafulli, in the concluding Eucharist, emphasized the essence of passion and the significance of abiding in faith. The solemn evening prayer marked the official closure of the provincial chapter, during which Father George Crisafulli shared his reflections on the sessions and proceedings. His sentiments were unequivocally positive, underscoring the unity, dedication, and fervor that characterized the chapter. The chapter members departed emboldened, fortified by a renewed commitment to their faith, their mission, and their community. The Don Bosco quiz in the south region of the St. Joseph Vice Province of Sri Lanka, LKC, was held on April 27, 2024 at Matia Gani Salesian community. The theme of the seminar, The Dream That Makes You Dream, was chosen as the theme for the quiz. Young people from 6 Salesian communities, Paliya Watha, Dankotua, juniors and seniors, Arabegama, Usweta Keyawa, Nochiyagama took part in the quiz. Don Bosco Chinna Loka Post-Novitiate Community organized the quiz. The quiz comprised of written exam, group round, individual round, singing competition and drama competition. The presence and messages on the part of Father Paul Sajiwaka, the Vice Provincial, and Father Saya Yaraj, the Provincial Economer, was a greater motivation. The DB quiz was meticulously planned and executed by Father Sebastian Fernando with the support of the Salesian community of Matia Gani. The Salesians of the Philippines South Province celebrated the Provincial Assembly Day on the 24th of April, hosted by the Salesian community of the Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes. It was attended by more than 60 Salesians and novices who hailed from the different settings of the FIS. It was also coincidentally the celebration of the 59th birthday of the Provincial Superior, Father Fidel Orientian. The whole event focused on the Rector Major's Strena, The Dream That Makes You Dream, with an emphasis on vocation promotion. During the homily mass, Father Arturo Sanchez, Provincial Emeritus, offered his own reflection on the need for the province to double its effort for the promotion of Salesian vocations. Representatives of the 6 Salesian universities of Latin America are meeting in La Paz, in the La Paz campus, Bolivia, with the aim of continuing the initiatives contained in the work plan agreed upon by the delegates of the Salesian Institutions of Higher Education to IUS as a result of the joint constructive work that has been carried out for several years. As part of this joint constructive work, which is carried out in continental meetings of the IUS, the coordination of the common program, which provides for combined work, is planned oriented to the quality of the formation of university students. This year, it is the turn of the Salesian University of Bolivia to be the host for this meeting. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.